So we're gonna adjust Nina today. It's my daughter. How old are you?
10.
Okay. And why are we gonna adjust you? What happened like 2 weeks ago?
I sprained my wrist and back.
What'd you do?
Falling off a swing.
Oh, okay. How'd you fall?
Slipped.
What were you doing?
Just swinging.
How high?
Very high.
Okay. And what? You couldn't play soccer? You couldn't do anything, right?
No.
Okay, just show everybody where it hurt.
Here.
We took some x-rays on her wrist, and she's actually the daredevil child. So I'm looking, we've had taken 5 different x-rays of her arms and stuff since the last couple of years because she keeps having, and you did break your arm once, right?
Yes.
Right.
This arm.
Okay. So hopefully
My
no
funny bone.
Hopefully no more broken bones. Let's get you adjusted.
I broke my funny bone.
All right, let's get you adjusted here. Okay. We'll lay this side up here. Check here. You like it getting adjusted? Does it feel good? Let's go the other way. Okay, good. Let's lay this up. Let's check here. Check them down. Oh, lift that way as far as you can. All right, you're all good. How's that feel? That feel good? Does it make it feel better? Okay. Hi, this is Dr. Moran with Kinetic Chiropractic in Omaha, Nebraska. I'm here to talk to you today about chiropractic care. If you're suffering from low back pain, neck pain, headaches, sciatica, migraines, or similar symptoms, chiropractic care is exactly what you need. It's a safe, effective, non-invasive, no-drug approach to healthcare. If you're tired of the same approach of take this medicine until you feel better, and oftentimes you don't feel better, and you want to start addressing the root cause of the problem and not just the symptoms, then we can take care of that for you. If you're watching this video, I encourage you to hit the link and book an appointment with us. We are currently offering a great new patient special. Click the link to learn more and to schedule.